Apologies, I disappeared yesterday and did not put a daily vlog up because I was disappearing into my pain cave. Things have not been good on the knee front because I'm in between drugs at the moment because the previous one made me really sick and I can't get to the doctor till next week. So that's where I've been feeling miserable for myself. Anyway, on a positive, I have not been drinking or eating any junk, and I actually did manage to do this despite that on Tuesday. I finally got to the swimming pool. I don't think I've got as long as I wanted to have, but I'm here and I'm swimming, and it must be about 3 weeks since I did that. So that is good for today. So, my first question to you, in the face of adversity, despite all the things that might have been in your way, all the obstacles that you might have come across, what did you still manage to achieve? So then we skip forward a day, and the next day I was busier than I hoped to be. But still I stuck to my schedule, and I still had the scheduled lunch that I was supposed to have and didn't go and have any other junk. So that was the crackers and feta, and I don't think I managed any of the rest because I was so busy. So what have you managed to have in your lunches that is good? You tell me some good lunches. Then I went off-site to a meeting. Now, this was the most unexpected meeting because I got this. However, it's always learning, and this is why I go to them. Seminars. I get them for free sometimes with the Chamber, and I'm always up for learning something new. So my final question to you, what is your Friday goal? What is your goal for tomorrow that you're going to achieve despite the fact it's Friday and you're going to have that Friday feeling?